Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about space debris, which has become a pressing concern as it continues to accumulate at an alarming rate. Let's get started. Humanity's reach extends far beyond Earth's boundaries in the vast expanse of space. However, our ventures into space have left behind a trail of debris, posing a threat to satellites, spacecraft, and even astronauts. Picture fragments of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and even minuscule paint flakes hurtling through space at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per second, 7 times faster than a speeding bullet. These objects, ranging from tiny screws to larger components, populate the low Earth orbit, reaching heights of up to 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The volume of space junk is estimated to exceed 30,000 pieces larger than 10 centimeters. Popular culture representation. The 2013 Hollywood thriller, Gravity, depicted astronauts stranded in space after their shuttle succumbed to orbital debris. Other examples from popular culture include Until the End of the World, Love, Death and Robots, and Space Sweepers, to name a few. Factors and measures. The rapid increase of space debris can be attributed to various factors, including defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and even items like paint flakes. Explosions in orbit, often triggered by residual energy stored in spacecraft and rocket components, further contribute to the debris population. With nearly 10,000 satellites currently orbiting the Earth, a number steadily increasing due to government and private space activities, the orbital environment is becoming increasingly congested. Surprisingly, there is currently no comprehensive treaty governing space debris or imposing standards for responsible space practices. While the 1967 Outer Space Treaty holds nations accountable for damages caused by space debris, its efficacy in curbing debris proliferation remains limited. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has emerged as a frontrunner in mitigating the risks associated with space debris, implementing strategies such as meticulously selecting clean orbits, budgeting for post-mission rocket disposal, and orchestrating controlled re-entries into the Earth's atmosphere. Kessler Syndrome. NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler had proposed the Kessler Syndrome in 1978. It is a theoretical scenario wherein a chain reaction of existing debris collides to generate more debris, further leading to more collisions. By taking proactive measures to limit the growth of space debris and promoting global cooperation, humanity can avert a potential catastrophe in space. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned space debris threat. Space debris from defunct satellites and rocket stages poses risks to satellites, spacecraft, and astronauts due to high-speed collisions in low Earth orbit. Causes and measures. Debris increases from defunct satellites, rockets, and explosions. ISRO leads mitigation through orbit selection and controlled re-entries. Treaties are lacking. Kessler Syndrome, proposed by NASA's Kessler, it describes a collision chain reaction creating more debris. Global cooperation is vital to prevent catastrophe. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.